Okay, we will see steel beam design again with some example. So we learned that the capacity of a steel beam depends on the unbraced or laterally unsupported length. So again, a laterally unsupported length is represented by LB, and we also learned about LP and LR. uh, what is LB? LB is the laterally unsupported length. Say there is a beam here. Say I have a beam with span is L with uniformly distributed load of W. Now this L is not LB. LB is if I do some lateral support. Say my beam is here, and if I have slab on top of this, it is attached to this beam, then the beam cannot move. So in that case, we can call laterally unsupported length is 0. So this way, if I press a support at the middle here and here, that means this beam is laterally unsupported at this midpoint. That is my LB. So we will see that. Also, we learn that the capacity of a beam. So capacity, say PMN. PMN is phi MP. When my LB is smaller than LP. If my beam is a smaller than LP, the capacity is this. Now, if my LB is greater than LP and smaller than LR, then my capacity is PMN equals uh, mm, CB PMP minus BF LB minus LP. Again, if my LB is in between these two values, my capacity is this. Now this portion must be smaller than MP. And then third category, if my LB equals LR, what is my capacity? Capacity is PMR. Now for the last case, if my LB is greater than LR, my capacity, I forgot. So let me see the book. My capacity is a big number. The capacity will be P F critical then Sx, where F critical can be determined using a very big equation, where I am not going there now. The reason is mostly we do not design a beam where LB is greater than LR, but it is possible. Okay, let me write it down. What is FCR? FCR is CB pi square E LB RTS square, then 1 plus 0.078 JC SX H naught if I wrote it correct, yes, CB pi square E LB over RTS square, then square 1 plus 0.78 JC SX. Yes, it looks correct. Yeah, if my LB is greater than LR, okay, mark it. So this is important. If my LB is equal or less than LP, this is my capacity. If LB is in between LP and LR, this is my capacity. If LB is exactly of LR, this is my capacity. If LB are more than LR, then this is my capacity. Now, we can find this value mostly in our AISC manual. So AISC manual, it is 15th edition. Now, in your AFE exam, if the question comes from here, they will give you a small table so that you can grab some value. What are the values we can find from table? So we can find this value of CB, this value of MP, PBF, LP, and then we can find here again this value. We can find all of this value, this value, all this. Yeah, CB. Yeah, so most of the value we can grab it from the ASA manual, or in your AFE exam. The exam will provide you, or it is also in the AFE reference handout. So now we will see some example. Before going to example, make sure that you understood this, the importance of LB and importance of LB and LR. Then what else? Okay, so we will see some example in our next video.